Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with AMD. You got the error AMD Crash Defender has detected an issue with your display driver. Let's fix it guys. If you have installed Rivet Tuner, HW Info or IDA 64 system monitor, then you need to remove these programs guys, because these are the major cause for this particular error. And if this solution doesn't work, let's move on to the second solution guys. Go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it. You just need to check my video description for this path used in my video, copy and paste it. After pasting it, press enter. On right side, you just need to right click on the blank area and select new, select devote 32-bit value. Name this value TD or delay, DELAY. Press enter. Double click on it and change the value data to 8 and select OK. Now you just need to copy and paste the second path. You just need to paste it and press enter. After pasting the second path on right side, you just need to right click on the blank area and select new, select devote 32-bit value. Name this value overlay, over OVERLAY, test TEST, mode MODE, overlay test mode. Press enter. Double click on the value and change the value data to 5 and select OK. Now you just need to close it off here and restart your PC for the changes take effect. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to disable MPO. To do this, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to scroll down. Attachments, click on this both link and download it. Now you just need to select the show in folder over here. First double click on the MPO disable.registry file and select run. Select yes. Select yes again. And now this will disable the MPO guys. After doing this, select OK. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If this method doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to double click on the MPO restore.registry file. Double click on it and select run guys. Select yes. Select yes again. This will restore the registry to the previous state guys. Select OK. Now close it off here. Now let's move on to the fourth solution guys. The fourth solution, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to scroll down and select download mirror EU. After getting download done, DDU zip, select show in folder. Right click on the zip file and select extract all and select extract. Now you just need to double click on the exe file and select extract. After getting extract and open this folder, and now double click on the display driver uninstaller.exe. Select yes. Now you just need to select OK, close, OK. Select device type, select GPU, and in down you just need to click on the drop down and select AMD. And after that, click on clean and restart. Select it. This will uninstall the driver from your computer. After doing this, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to scroll down. In here, you just need to select your graphics card model over here. And after selecting it, select submit. Just need to scroll down. Depending on what type of Windows you have, expand it. You just need to download the auto detect and install guys, so that you don't need to detect your relevant driver. Select download option and download it. After getting download done, you just need to run the AMD installer in your system, and this will help you to fix the problem, guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.